Hi everyone, Rocky here again. Just a quick video regarding this screen. This is a Kia PICANTO GT. They're touch screens. These are notorious for failing. I've just replaced it, so this is just a really quick video to talk about what you need to do to replace it. So first of all, the cowling has to come off. You pull this, you yank it really hard and it will come off. Then next is this part here. Underneath there, it's a little bit, you'll see it, you just pull from there alongwards and there's clips. This will just come off as one piece. Then you remove this. Then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips head screws, and I think it's a 12 or a 13mm nut. Then the whole thing just slides out and you just unclip the connectors. What I'm going to do is I'm going to link some videos down below that show a video of this getting removed. It's not the exact same on mine, but it's close enough. And the video of the guy disassembling it. More importantly, I'm going to put a still at the end of this showing the back of this screen with the correct part and model number. This is what you'll need to order as a replacement. Replacing it's pretty straightforward, didn't take long, and now the thing works perfectly. Hope this is of help to someone. Take care everybody, and thanks for watching.